crochet friends, I have a new tutorial for you. This vintage hat, I hope you like it. I think it's very fashioned. You will see this striped effect. I will explain you in English step by step. I will give you instruction to create this hat with this small brim or with a larger brim at your own choice. So let's get started. Hi crochet friends, in this video I will show you how to crochet a flapper hat like that. Do you like it? I like it so much. So if you are ready, we can start it. For this project I'm using about 130 grams of this wool, this yarn. I'm showing you this yarn worked together, two strands worked together like that with a crochet hook number 5 millimeters, okay? Slip note, we have to do a magic circle like that. Chain 1 to fix the circle. Okay, now I'm taking the two yarns like that. Just pull it a little. And now another chain 1 and 12 double crochet into this magic circle. 2, 3, and so on till 12. 12 double crochet. Now close your ring and slip stitch to join into the first double crochet you did at the beginning of this round, like that. Next row, chain 2. Into the first double crochet you are going to do double crochet 2 into the back loop of the stitch. 1 and 2. And now double crochet 2 in each stitch, but inserting your hook only into the back loop, like that. So this is my double crochet number 24. Now I can close my round, slip stitching into the 1, 2 second chain I did at the beginning of this round, slip stitch to join like that. Round number 3, chain 2. And now into the next stitch I'm gonna do double crochet 1 into the back loop. Into the next stitch 2 double crochet into the back loop. 1 and 2. Into the next one just 1. Into the next one 2. 1 and 2. Repeat 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 till the end of this round from 24 double crochet, you get 36. Close this third round into the second chain you did at the beginning, slip stitching like that. We will always close each round in this way. Round 4, chain 2 to start, and now I'm going to increase after each 2 double crochet into the back loop, into the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the next one, double crochet 1, and now after 2 double crochet I have to increase into the next stitch, and I'm going to do 1 and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So go ahead, 1 1 2 1 1 2 all across this round. At the end of this round you get 48 double crochet into the back loop. Round 5, chain 2, and now I have to increase after each double crochet into the back loop. So the first one is just 1, into the second stitch just 1, into the third stitch just 1, and now into the next one I have to increase just doing 1 and 2 double crochet into the back loop of the same stitch. I'm gonna repeat that 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 all across this fifth round, and from 48 double crochet I'll get 60 double crochet. Ready for round number 6, chain 2, into the first stitch, double crochet 1 and double crochet 1 into the following 3 stitches, because now I have to increase after each 4 stitches. So into the first one 1 double crochet, into the second one 1 double crochet, into the third one 1 double crochet, into the fourth one 1 double crochet, and now into the fifth one double crochet 1 and 2 into the same stitch. So now I have to increase after each 4 stitches all across this round. From 60 double crochet I'll get 72. Round number 7. Now we have to stop increasing, chain 2, and now this time these 2 chains count as the first double crochet. Yarn over and into the next stitch from the back to the front, then from the front to the back through the following stitch, do your double crochet from the back. So you have to do back post double crochet in each stitch across this round. Totally you get 72 back post double crochet. Okay, now this is the end of round 7, you see. Now from the next row, which is the number 8, we have to start decreasing. So chain 1, the starting chain, and now into the back loop of each next stitch I have to do single crochet 1, but after each 4 single crochet, I have to decrease. So I did the first 4 single crochet. Now into the following 2 stitches, I'm gonna do 2 single crochet finished together, so that I have my decrease. I have to do that after each 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now into the following 2 stitches decrease like that, finishing together, closing together 2 single crochet. At the end of this row you should have back 60 single crochet. Number 9, chain 2, which counts as the first double crochet, and now back I have to do back post double crochet. No decreasing, no increasing. So totally I have 60 back post double crochet, like that. Round number 10, now we have to decrease from 60 to 55, and we will decrease on stitch number 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, doing 2 single crochet finished together. Okay, chain 1 and start into the first stitch, 1 single crochet into the back loop, and now single crochet into the back loop till number 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now on stitch number 10 you have to decrease 1 and 2 single crochet close together. You have to do that also on stitch number 20, 30, 40 and 50, so that at the end of this row number 10 you have 55 single crochet into the back loop. Round 11 we are doing back post double crochet, totally 55, no decreasing, no increasing, like that. Okay, now this is my round 12. I have to start with the usual chain 1, starting chain, then I have to do a single crochet into the back loop of each stitch, but I have to decrease from 55 to 50. So I will decrease on stitch number 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Doing as I did before, 2 single crochet finished together. So from 55 to 50 for round number 12. Round 13, chain 1, and now back post single crochet in each stitch all the way around, totally 50 back post single crochet. Okay. At round 14, I'm ready now to start the brim. I have to do chain 1, 2 single crochet into this very first stitch, and then 3 single crochet, and then still 2 into the same stitch, because I have to increase after each 3 single crochet. Okay, so after each 3 single crochet you have to do into the next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, and now 1 and 2 into the same stitch, and you have to do that all the way around. Round 15. Now at this round I don't have to increase anymore, but I have to do just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around, and that's all for my round 15. Round 16, chain 2, and now into this very first stitch 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. Now I have to increase after each 4 half double crochet, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and now increase doing 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. I have to do that after each 4 half double crochet all the Round 17, chain 2 into the very first stitch half double crochet. Now I have to do half double crochet in each one of stitches of previous round, and I don't have to increase, but just working on the existing number of stitches. Okay, this is the last round. Now I have to start with reverse single crochet as last refining round. Insert your hook into the back stitch, you see, going back like that. Pick up the yarn, pull it through, and do your it's not easy. This is the problem of the first one. Like, sorry. Insert your hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through like that, single crochet. Okay? And now again, going back, single crochet, called reverse single crochet, because we are working going back like that. Okay? And finally my hat Marlene is ready. If you like this project, please give me your like. I will thank you so much, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.